If you're trying to get into vinyl in 2026, you'll notice something fast. There are hundreds of turntables out there, all claiming to be the best. But here's the truth. Most of them are either overpriced, underperforming, or simply not worth your money in the long run. So in this video, I'm going to simplify everything. These are the only 4 vinyl turntables you actually need to consider in 2026, whether you're buying your very first record player or building a serious hi-fi system. Let's get started. Number 4. Technics SL1200GR. The Technics SL1200GR earns its place as the best premium all-purpose turntable by combining legendary reliability, exceptional sound quality, and precision engineering into a package that appeals equally to audiophiles, collectors, and professional DJs. Building on the heritage of one of the most iconic turntable designs ever created, the SL1200GR incorporates modern technology that delivers outstanding performance in virtually every listening environment. At its heart is a high-precision direct-drive motor that provides remarkable speed stability with almost no wow or flutter, ensuring every record is played at exactly the correct speed with incredible consistency. This level of accuracy allows music to sound natural, detailed, and rhythmically precise, bringing out the finest nuances in your favorite recordings. The turntable's heavy vibration-resistant chassis, high-quality tone arm, and premium internal components work together to minimize unwanted resonance, resulting in clean, dynamic playback with excellent clarity and balance. Unlike many premium turntables that excel only in home listening or DJ applications, the SL1200GR is versatile enough to handle both with confidence, making it an ideal choice for anyone who wants one machine capable of doing everything exceptionally well. Every control feels solid and precisely engineered, reflecting the outstanding build quality that Technics is known for. While it comes with a premium price tag, it's also a turntable built to provide decades of dependable service with minimal maintenance. For those seeking a long-term investment that combines timeless design, durability, and world-class performance, the Technics SL1200GR remains one of the finest turntables you can buy in 2026. Number 3. Rega Planar 3. The Rega Planar 3 stands out as the best choice for pure hi-fi performance, earning its reputation as one of the most respected and highly recommended turntables in the audiophile world. For decades, Rega has followed a simple but effective philosophy: remove anything that doesn't directly improve sound quality, and invest every design decision into delivering the most accurate and engaging musical experience possible. The Planar 3 perfectly reflects that approach with its lightweight yet incredibly rigid plinth, which minimizes unwanted resonance and vibration that can color the sound. It also features Rega's precision-engineered RB330 tone arm, renowned for its exceptional tracking ability and low-friction bearings, allowing the cartridge to extract remarkable detail from every record. The result is a listening experience that offers impressive clarity, natural vocals, tight bass, and outstanding instrument separation, while maintaining the rhythm and timing that make music feel alive and emotionally engaging. Unlike many modern turntables filled with Bluetooth, USB outputs, or built-in digital features, the Planar 3 deliberately avoids unnecessary extras so that every dollar is invested in higher quality engineering and premium components that directly enhance audio performance. It's also highly upgradable, giving owners the flexibility to improve their system over time with better cartridges, external power supplies, and other accessories. While it requires a greater investment than entry-level models, the Rega Planar 3 rewards listeners with a refined, transparent, and incredibly musical presentation, making it one of the finest turntables available for anyone who values authentic high-fidelity sound above everything else. Number 2. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo. The Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo is widely regarded as the best value audiophile upgrade because it delivers a level of sound quality and craftsmanship that far exceeds what most entry-level turntables can offer, making it the perfect choice for listeners who are ready to take their vinyl experience to the next level. Built with a strong focus on performance rather than unnecessary features, this turntable has earned an outstanding reputation among music enthusiasts for its precise engineering, premium materials, and exceptional audio reproduction. One of its biggest highlights is the carbon fiber tone arm, which is both lightweight and extremely rigid, helping to minimize unwanted resonance while improving tracking accuracy for cleaner, more detailed playback. Compared to beginner models, you'll immediately notice tighter and more controlled bass, clearer vocals, greater instrument separation, and a significantly quieter background that allows every detail of your favorite records to shine. The Debut Carbon Evo also features an upgraded motor suspension system and adjustable damped feet that effectively reduce vibrations from nearby speakers, furniture, or the floor, ensuring more stable and consistent playback. While it doesn't include convenience features like Bluetooth or USB recording, that's an intentional design decision, with every component dedicated to achieving the highest possible sound quality. It's also highly upgradable, allowing owners to enhance performance over time with better cartridges, platters, and accessories. For anyone seeking genuine hi-fi performance without spending a fortune, the Pro-Ject debut Carbon Evo offers an exceptional balance of quality, reliability, and long-term value, making it one of the smartest investments in the world of vinyl. Number 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB earns its place as the best entry-level all-rounder because it offers an impressive combination of performance, features, reliability, and long-term value at a price that's accessible to most beginners. If you're buying your first turntable, this is one of the safest and smartest choices available. Inspired by the classic DJ-style design, it features a direct drive motor that delivers excellent speed accuracy and consistency, allowing your records to play at the correct speed with minimal maintenance compared to many belt drive alternatives. That makes it ideal for everyday music listening, while also being capable of handling light DJ use if you ever decide to explore mixing. The AT-LP120XUSB also comes packed with beginner-friendly features, including a built-in phono preamp that lets you connect directly to powered speakers or amplifiers without purchasing additional equipment. Its USB output is another major advantage, making it easy to digitize your vinyl collection and preserve your favorite records on your computer. Setup is simple, even for someone with no prior experience, and the sturdy construction gives it a premium feel that inspires confidence. As your interest in vinyl grows, you'll also appreciate the wide availability of replacement parts and upgrade options, including improved cartridges and styli, allowing the turntable to evolve alongside your audio system. While dedicated audiophile models can deliver higher levels of refinement, the AT-LP120XUSB consistently punches above its price point, offering balanced sound quality, dependable performance, and versatility that few competitors can match. For anyone entering the world of vinyl in 2026, it's a turntable that provides an outstanding foundation and remains a rewarding investment for years to come. To sum it all up, these are the 4 vinyl turntables that truly stand out in 2026. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB for beginners, the Pro-Ject debut Carbon Evo for outstanding value in hi-fi audio, the Rega Planar 3 for pure audiophile performance, and the Technics SL1200GR as the ultimate premium all-purpose turntable. Each model is designed for a different type of listener, so the best choice depends on your budget, listening habits, and long-term goals. No matter which one you choose, you'll be investing in a high-quality turntable that offers excellent sound, dependable performance, and lasting value. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more audio gear reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.